Hi, it's Bobby, bit more karaoke for you. And I'm going to sing you a really old song sung by Buddy Holly. Sun is out, sky is blue. There's not a cloud to spoil the view, but it's raining, raining in my heart. The weatherman says clear today, but he doesn't know that you've gone away. And it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery, what's gonna become of me? I tell my blues they mustn't show, but soon these tears are bound to flow, 'cause it's raining, raining in my heart. But it's raining, raining in my heart. And it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery, what's gonna become of me? I tell my blues they mustn't show, but soon these tears are bound to flow, 'cause it's raining, raining in my heart. Raining in my heart. Raining in my heart. Hi, here's Bobby, bit more karaoke coming up. And I'm going to sing you an old song, and it's called A Nightingale Sang in Berkeley Square.